Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty coconut chicken curry. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 kg of chicken, 4 large tomatoes, 2 cups of thick coconut milk, 2 slices of onions, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Tanduri masala, or you can use chicken masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Garamasala, 1 cube of Magi, or you can use jumbo, and lastly some salt to taste. So the first step, make sure you've cleaned your chicken, then slightly cut the chicken so that the spices can blend in well. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and all the spices mentioned in the beginning: garam masala, turmeric powder, Tanduri masala, black pepper, Magi, and salt. Lastly, I'm going to use a half a lime because my lime had a lot of juice, and mix all the ingredients very well so that the spices can blend in well with the chicken. If you have the time, you can cover the chicken and let it marinate for at least 3 hours, and if you don't have the time, you can cook the chicken immediately. In a medium pot, you're going to add the chicken. Then cover the chicken and let it cook on a medium heat slowly by slowly until the chicken is nicely cooked. I didn't add any water to the chicken just released the water by itself. And let it continue to cook till the chicken is nicely cooked and the water is completely dry. Once your chicken is nicely cooked like this, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the fire and place it aside. In another separate pan, you're going to add some oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Once the onions have this amazing golden brown color, then your onions are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them aside on a plate. The next step, you're going to make our chicken coconut curry. In a separate pot, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the tomatoes. I've blended the tomatoes and I'm going to add the remaining half a cube of Magi and mix everything well and let the tomatoes to cook until they start producing some oil. When the tomatoes are nicely cooked and they start producing some oil, you're going to add 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing and let the stew to cook until it becomes thick. Once the stew starts to thicken, lastly you're going to add the cooked chicken and mix everything and let the stew to continue to cook for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, it's up to you if you want more sauce or less sauce. If you will want less sauce, you will let the stew to continue to cook until it becomes more thicker and less. As for me, I wanted more sauce because I wanted to eat with some rice, and my coconut chicken curry is ready and I'm going to serve in a bowl. Lastly, I'm just going to add the fried onions to decorate my chicken. You don't have to do this step, and your coconut chicken stew will be ready. Another option, like I said, you don't have to add the fried onions, and your chicken coconut curry will be like this. You can eat along with some rice, ugali, bread, mandazi, or anything that you like, and enjoy your chicken curry. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.